everyone, and welcome to the video tutorial for the new Trading Central research platform. My name is Yassine from the North American desk, and today we will go over some of the features of our new research platform built for institutional and retail traders that are seeking to discover new trading opportunities while still managing their current positions. First, let me give you guys a brief description of our company. So Trading Central is a technical analysis research house that was founded in 1999 in Paris, France. Since its humble beginnings, we've expanded to Hong Kong, Cyprus, London, New York, Shanghai, Ottawa, Canada, with over 200 institutional clients with multi-asset coverage. Now, let's dig into the platform to see what it has to offer. So the first thing you guys are going to notice here are the widgets. Now, these are customizable for you to move around however you'd like. If you guys prefer equities or indices, commodities, you have some forex pairs here. You have some of the top performing sectors. We also have Web TV here if you'd like to follow some of the videos to know what's happening around the markets. Now the dashboard is a great opportunity to grasp the bigger picture of the overall markets. In just one page, you can see how the major commodities are doing, what stocks are hot in the market, and what indices to watch out for, or even what forex pairs to consider trading. All this on an international scale. So for example, in the equities market, right now we're looking at CAC 40, the French index. We could be looking at some American stocks with the S&P 500. Some of the commodity charts here, you can either go through daily charts or even 30-minute charts. Same thing for forex as well. When it comes to the sectors, you can split between the American sectors, some European sectors. But what's really cool here is that you can actually hover your mouse around the graph to get a preview of the chart. So you don't always have to click to access a new page. You can just hover around here to get an idea of how the chart looks like. Now, let's click on the person icon at the top right here to access our profile. So you can change your name, your email address, your time zone, your language. But the bottom right here, you can actually decide how you like to receive these pop-up alerts on your screen. So we have analysts all around the world that cover over 75,000 financial instruments. So when an alert is triggered, you would get a pop-up right on your screen. So you decide whether it be top left, more near the center of the screen, or maybe top right. So once you've decided, you can click on Save Changes. Now let's go back to the dashboard here. So as much as you can follow the overall global market with these widgets, you can also look for specific products. So let's access the search bar at the top right here. You can either type for a company name or the ticker. So for example, we will go with Microsoft. As you can see, we're quite bullish on Microsoft on an intraday basis, which is a 30-minute chart, as well as on a daily chart. So you can switch to different time frames here on the left. We offer a free trading plan on the right side here with our key levels. Now this is very important here. For example, on our daily chart on Microsoft, we have our stop loss at 104.75, pretty much playing the 50-day moving average here in the blue line. Our first target is at 111.25 and our final target is at 116.35. Now, as part of our methodology, we also offer alternative targets. So if ever prices do break below our stop loss of 104.75, we'll be looking at the next supports of 175 or even 97. So trading plan is here. The key levels are also very important. A lot of our clients trade off of, right? So that's very interesting. And if you go a little towards the bottom of the page here, you can see that any major technical events will be displayed at the bottom. So our pattern recognition software will detect technical breakouts or even major candlesticks to give more information to traders. For example, there's some bearish momentum with a 20-day moving average are discovered on the 24th of August. We discovered a hanging man, which is a bearish candle on the 27th of August, potentially signaling a potential reversal on the stock. Now, traders can export this plan here by clicking on the print icon. So this will allow you to share it with your trading desk, your friends, your colleagues, or even simply just include it in your own trading journal. So it fits perfectly in just one page. Now let's go back to the dashboard here. So we established how to keep track of our positions with the widgets. Now imagine you don't know what to buy, but you want to follow the overall trend. Now, let's look at how to discover new trading opportunities with our scanner. So we're going to click on the Equities tab here. Now, this is our new scanner built into the platform, where you can track opportunities from all around the world in just one page. So we're going to start by adjusting our filters on the left here to only show what we really want to see. For example, we want to look at some daily stocks. We want to focus more on the Americas, more specifically in the United States. So I'm going to take New York. You can split by sectors. So here at Trading Central, we like to follow a top-down approach. So we already know that the US indices are strong, but not all stocks are going to follow. So let's look at the top performance sectors before picking our stocks. So we have a bunch of sectors here, but I definitely suggest you guys to look at our list of sectors split by geographical location. And here you can see the top performance sectors in the Americas would be technology, around tech, hardware equipment, software services, even transportation. So let's just say I've always been a big fan of software services. So let's click on software services and let's say that we want a bullish chart on a daily as well as on a weekly basis. Now before looking at our list here, we can always save these criteria here. So let's just call this US software. That way you don't always have to restart from zero. You can just go here in our save filter and click on US software. So we have a list of a lot of stocks here. We have multiple pages. As you can see, you have the returns on the right that we're expecting. Obviously, the time frame, we chose them all to be daily. So we can click, for example, on ACI Worldwide. We're going to notice a bullish chart here on daily charts. We have a stop loss at 27.2. You can see it's a nice overlap level from the high of June. We're also playing the 20-day moving average here with a target of 29.9. So it may rise 7.2%. So the whole trading plan here, once again, if you'd like to export, share with your colleagues, here for you to do so. So let's go back to the dashboard. So I want to display a simple and yet very important feature, our watch list. So as much as you can find great stocks in the market, it's also as important to secure the ones you already own. So for example, if you're an energy trader, you definitely want to follow crude oil. So when we access our monitor here, you can see that I've added a couple indices, stocks, but especially crude oil. So this is very important to me. So let's see what it's doing right now. On a 30-minute chart, we're bearish. On a one-day chart, a daily chart, and a weekly chart, we are bullish. So we can click on the graph here, like crude oil. You can see that broke below 15 moving average, the lower end of the Bollinger Bands. You can see there's definitely some pressure on crude oil, at least for the moment. So we have some support here, 69.55, 69.15, but we are bearish below 70.1. If you look at a daily chart, you'll see that we are bullish above 64.5, nice overlap level here. And on a weekly chart, we are bullish above 60.5, which is pretty much the high of 2015, with a final target of 83.5. Of course, you can use these watch lists to follow the indices around the world to see where you should be invested. So if you just trade on American exchanges, then you definitely want to follow the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow. If ever you do trade the Asian indices, then you may want to follow the Nikkei. If you trade around in Europe, you want to follow the CAC 40 in France, or even the FTSE 100. So basically, it's always good to know that the US indices are strong before investing stocks in those countries. Let's go back to the dashboard here. So we're very happy to announce that the platform is fully responsive. So this is very important. You can access it on your phone while you're on the go, on your tablet while just browsing around. So we went through all the major features of the platform here. I just want to let you guys know that this product was designed by traders for traders, whether you're beginner or advanced. So we truly hope that you found this video tutorial interesting and that you can find more opportunities in the markets. Feel free to reach out to us at any time if you guys have any questions regarding our company or our research platform. Happy trading.